What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Endless J Fishing video. Today we have a special guest, Jaden's sister. Hello. And today we're just gonna go fishing at the pond. Maybe do a dive.
No, we're just fishing.
Alright, so we're just gonna fish. Let's see if we catch some big. It's gonna be you guys together and just me. So yeah, let's start. At the lake or a pond now. We got Jaden and Avery. I'm cooked. I called her. Okay, that's bad. That's okay. But yeah, today we're just gonna fish. We might do a challenge later. No ticks. Yeah, we're good. Got a cast right here while I'm just standing here. See if anything's on the shore.
Little sister. Oh my god, bro. Sounds like gunshots.
It does.
Get down, get down! Ain't that right, Noah? It sounds like gunshots.
Literally.
Reloading!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Yeah.
At least I'm going over there.
Oh, I should have worn tennis shoes.
Is this, can the dog get it? Did you hook me?
No, I just stepped on it.
Oh, I got one.
Yeah, I can.
I got one. Got one, yeah. I am. I snapped off.
You snapped?
Yeah.
Is your drag high?
No. Look at this.
Turtle.
Look.
That
That's
would have been fun for a turtle.
them. Actually, might have. What the heck? So there's something over there. No.
What?
I can't believe I snapped. Maybe my line was frag.
It could have been, yeah.
Okay, guys. Well, I gotta go retie now. Guys, I wasn't recording. I have one.
On Avery's pool.
Yeah, it's a bass too.
Oh, what is going on?
Boom. Look at that, guys. First fish. Wasn't even recording. Yep. It's my catch. Bro, grab the pliers. Okay, good. That's not the pliers.
I don't know where they are.
They're in
In the front of the golf cart.
the cubby.
The front of the golf cart.
All right.
Where the wheel is and oh my. What did you see what you just did?
Avery, I need you to get the pliers too.
She has this game.
And she has them. Yeah, why'd you grab the stupid?
I'm about to cry, bro.
But I need the pliers. I inhale this thing. Inhale. I should let. No dip. Jaden, can you go grab the pliers? Oh, it's bleeding. Let's put you back in for a second, buddy. Yeah, I gotta wait for Jaden. This fish inhaled the hook.
Wait.
No, it's not even a pound. Oh, guys, that's the first fish, and we're gonna get this hook out. All right, guys, we got this like purple-looking Christmas tree worm. Put this bad boy on. Looks good. I just caught one on it. I'm not even on my pole, but I'm still gonna count it because I can. I'm better.
That's right. Did they see me do that? No.
Did they see who do what? Ta-dum. I don't know what they saw you did do what. Do what?
Yeah, no, you're gonna have to get this, dude.
You can't get it?
I can't.
Oh, those don't come out.
I hate these pliers.
Damn it.
Yeah, no, have fun with that.
You can't get it?
No, I just can't use pliers, bro. I freaking.
Hold that
How
fish.
long it is?
Ow.
It's like 15 feet.
6, 7.
There's like barely in there now. Oh, there's a spider in his throat. Crushed you.
That means he ate it.
No, that means
How
this.
did that even happen? How'd the lever go and I didn't realize?
Ready, set, go.
Now, can you like a tire or
You're kind of stupid.
The top, maybe.
Should I go back?
No. Oh, come on. I know, baby.
Can we not have me hold this?
You got one? No? I
It
got it.
doesn't die.
Oh, I thought the hook snapped.
No, it's on.
No, I think it's
20 cigarettes. Are you recording? Bro, you gotta get some
I know, but I
content.
haven't recorded. Avery got stuck in a tree.
Yeah, true.
Cause
Did you record him getting a bath?
I recorded. Well, I started filming right when I hooked it.
He's like, oh god, I'm not recording. Oh, guys, I just caught a fish.
Damn.
Watching.
Oh, I got it.
26.
Where the freak is it?
You can't really say that either.
What?
That song.
Watching cigarettes burn.
No, 20 cigarettes.
20 cigarettes.
That's the song. 20 cigarettes.
You can't say cigarette.
No, because that song, I can get copyrighted.
Oh, yeah, I'm recording.
No, it's the spots with me.
Just cast over there, like that way.
It's not even aiming at anybody.
Give me at the water.
Yeah, but they can't see my camera.
Oh, yeah, I'm recording.
You can't even see me, bro. No, it's the spots with me.
Just cast over there, like that way.
It's not even aiming at anybody.
Give me at the water.
Yeah, but they can't see my camera. Okay, that I didn't like on time.
Put your plate on.
Oh, my bad. Did you cross me?
Oh yeah, I'll have this spot.
I'd rather be closer to the tree anyways.
Yeah, and if I don't hook the tree.
The big bass should be betting.
What is that cast, bro?
Me?
No, Noah.
Oh, he is really bad at that.
I'm really bad at casting. Have you seen my skips?
That's probably how Alana
I mean,
casts.
you want to keep my scale in the socket?
No, you got that?
I don't have room anymore. I have to carry my tackle box in my
Alright, guys, we're going.
Jane, can you just put this in your tackle box?
I'm moving, so you're gonna have to move with me. We're going to the next spot. Over yonder. Avery's over there for some reason. Watching shit. We're almost there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go check out Backyard Dirt Biking, which is Noah's other channel. He'll probably put that in the description. But yeah.
Jaden! Jaden! The bass, I think's dead. He's floating on top of the water. Oh, guys, I killed a bass. Oh, got one. Got one. Let's go on the bedding. Boom. Oh, no, he fell off. No. Dang it. That was a good bite, though. Dang. They're on this bed right here. Oh, he's trying to live. Poor bass. You guys see that? I got another one. Oh, I just had one. Dude. Talking about myself now. Got one. Got one. Let's go. Let's go. He's running. Let's go, baby. Boom.
Avery caught a bluegill on a wacky rig.
How big is it?
It's like big, weird.
What?
It's a baby. It's weird.
You actually, let me see it. Oh, I can't see it. I'll see it on the. Jaden, I just caught it. We doubled up. Let's try not to kill this guy. There we go, I got the hook. Alright guys, there we go. Not a bad one. It's 2 on the day. So I'll take it and I'm just give him a safe release. There it goes. Back into the water. And my wacky worm looks ripped. 20 cigarettes. That's a good start with this Christmas tree. I've caught 2. So.
Noah,
Yeah.
they're under these trees, dude. I just got hit.
Really?
Yeah.
They do like that side where you're at. I just cast it under, so I'll see. That's where I just got my last one. The one I just caught was under that tree. I told you this is the spot.
I wrapped around the tree.
Oh my god, I see it.
I'm gonna have to snap, bro. I wrapped around it and I hooked it.
Guys, I don't know if you can see Jaden's lure up in that tree up there. It's like wiggling. Dude, that bass, I feel so bad. He was gonna live a long life. Now he's dead. You got it, Jaden?
Alright, ready?
But how does she catch a bluegill? I gotta see that. Jaden, were you recording when she caught the bluegill?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Did you snap?
Yeah, I did on purpose.
I think I got one. No. Thought I did. Darn it, that poor bass. Oh my god. I killed whatever fish that was.
When I snapped, did my lure fall?
No, it's still there. Bro, that poor bass.
Where's he at?
He's right here. Dead. I could try. You can see it hanging.
I don't.
How do you?
See it now.
You're so blind.
I was looking higher up. Like, I was higher
Does she
up.
have the camera? Oh, I just
Yeah,
had a.
she-
Oh, I got one. God, I love a stick. Yeah, look at that. I have to retie.
Poor bass.
Bro, you really need to start learning knots. I'm telling you.
I think you failed. Remember your grandma said no killing fish unless you eat it?
Shut up. Worms I'm using today are the KBD Strike Kings. They're called red bugs, I guess. I thought they're like a Christmas tree type thing. I guess not. I'm gonna walk to my spot now and see if we can maybe get something and not destroy my line ever again. Alright, we're good. We hooked up. A little uneven, but it's alright. I'm gonna be quiet over here too, just because it's really close to the water. It's gonna drag. Perfect. Maybe one clip. Oh, there's a bass or something right here. Oh yeah, there's stuff over here for sure. Let's get a good cast right by the tree. It skipped perfectly. I don't think it'll take long to get one right here. I need to get it farther in the trees, kinda. Oh, that's not even close, but that'll do.
tripod.
Nobody saw it.
How's it going? You doing good?
Get your pole out of my...
recording?
Yeah.
I'll tell you later.
What?
I'll tell you later then.
What do you have to say? Okay. Okay, I'm bad. So many sticks over here. There we go. That's a good skip right there. That might be a fish. They usually sit right behind this tree or next to it. Got one. Boom! Oh no! I just had one. God dang it! I called that shot too. That was great. What a cat. Oh, that might be good. Just gotta let it sink a little bit. Oh, I got one. Got one. Got one, Jaden. Oh my God, I called it again. Did he inhale the hook? Jaden, do you keep bringing... Jaden, do you keep bringing up the catfish?
What?
I said, do you keep bringing up the catfish? Did you just have one? Barely hooked him right in the top, but I can't get it. What? Yep. Stop moving, buddy. There we go, guys. I'm gonna try to just get him out right here. So close. Oh, it's about to slide out. I should be able to get that now.
No, you should jump in.
Yeah, you're funny. There you go, guys. Third fish. Get a good release on them. There it goes. Boom. I only got 3 more of these, or no, 2 more of these worms. So, I gotta make these ones count. But there we go. That's not. Oh, dude. That might be good. That might be really good. Got one. Oh, that was literally the cast after I just got that one. Boom, baby. 4 on the day. That's crazy.
How's it going, Noah? Noah, how's it going? I'm I'm going back that way. Yeah.
Hey Noah, you know how we're like best friends?
Get away, bro. You're not doing, no, you're not doing that.
It was a joke.
Get away.
I thought he said watch this.
Turtle?
Dude, they are blowing up right here.
There's bubbles right there.
Wow. There's bubbles.
Why am I not in 0.5?
Dude, that was crazy.
Catching this big fish right here. Can we scoot over?
Can you hold that and stop recording?
Wait, can I just?
No, are you recording?
Yes.
Can you stop recording for a second?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
That last one, I felt it pull my line when it was loose. You're Jaden's cameraman. Go.
I thought we were fishing over here.
I got another one. No! No, I lost it. God. Guys, this is crazy. There's a lot right here. There has to be. Like a family or... I think I got another one already. Oh, no, I don't. Got another one. I just lost it. What the heck? 26. Oh no. Maybe I did the wrong way. Oh, sorry about that. What a save. I don't really know if there's fish right here in this little pocket. I've caught some before, but I haven't gotten a bite in it yet, just near it. Yank it now! Oh, never mind. Bro, her yank is this.
Yeah. Avery, I doubt that.
Fuck. God damn it, not again.
So guys, Jaden just caught a big fish actually.
Oh, it snapped! No! Yeah, but the hook in his mouth.
Guess who's not retying it?
You.
Uh,
I'm not retying it, bro. I told you I'm done tying it. You really need to learn you're not.
I'm gonna kill you.
Keep going over there.
Oh.
Dude, you're gonna be like 30 years old fishing, like, hey, how do you tie a knot?
Yep.
I'm not tying it, so have Avery tie it or something.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
You got one.
And my shoe broke.
Is it in the throat?
No, I got it. What's up, guys? Fishy.
You gotta treat him with respect. Throw him in with respect.
Fishy. Avery, record me putting him in.
Okay, so now he's gonna.
Hey, please. Hey, bud. Where'd bro go?
Bro, this.
I need a towel. Noah. I kind of lost the hook.
Use the big one.
No, I didn't lose it. Like I don't see it.
So grab the big one. Not my robot.
Oh, I see it.
I can tie it.
God. Oh! My line snapped. Nope.
This dingus next to us.
I'm the dingus. I
Yeah.
caught 5 fish, and you've caught 0.
Yeah.
And that Jaden's caught 1, so that's good. I'm
Um,
just happy it's not a video. Jaden, literally, we'll do the knot together. Ready?
No.
I get mine. We'll do it step by step.
Yeah, I can help
Let
you.
me know when you're ready. Are you doing it right?
You are hung on the dock, Billy. What?
Are you doing it right?
What?
Are you doing it right?
No, I actually let down.
You messed it up.
Yeah.
Alright, do you want to do it side by side together? Actually, take your hook. Actually, I'm not ready yet. My line's frayed. Bro, I don't know how I snapped.
Because you were snapped.
Do we have food?
Not here, no.
You say, can we have food?
No, I said
do we have
yeah. Because I'm kind of hungry. I need like a snack. I don't have anything for breakfast.
Me neither.
Neither. I thought they were all together.
I know, but like,
Yeah, no, let's do it step by step.
Alright, ready?
No, come over here so I can see how you do it. Are we recording? Yes, I'm recording you.
Already?
No, I'm not even.
Avery.
No.
Oh! I'm sad.
You got one. You got one.
You guys want?
Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Reel it, Avery. Reel it.
Come on. Reel it.
Let's go.
Come on. Bring it in. Bring it in.
Ah, I did it!
First fish in Indiana. Free.
No, let me do it. Let me do it.
It's a hard one. Right when I started recording. Ah, da, 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 da.
Wait, so they got it?
Hey, you got that on video?
Yeah, right when I started recording.
Stop. You know,
I'll hold it.
it's an easy hook, just like.
Ow, bro, you want to let me grab him and you're already...
You got him?
Yep.
Oh, he's got it, like, right
Here,
here.
let me do it. Oh, he's peeing on me! Let me do it, Avery. You do that again, bro. He hasn't been caught before, that's why.
He's the one who grabbed my pole.
Kid's turning into you.
Words. I mean, I only snagged once. Actually, I've snagged, but not snapped my pole. Sagging.
Alright.
Come on.
Hold him. Turn. Show the camera. Here, I'll hold your pole. Make sure you hold his tail and show it right. Oh, it's pregnant.
Okay, this is the pole.
No, the pole.
The fish.
No, hold it okay.
It's Prego for the babies. That's so amazing. But now, why?
Alright guys, we got this new crankbait on. It's a short, like a shallow diver. Try not to snag.
No, you just crossed me.
No, I didn't. Got one. First cast, baby. Oh my god. Yeah, you heard it rattle? No, 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 not the tree. What am I hooked on? Bro, I'm so confused. Yes, I'm hooked on this tree. Wait, how does this make sense? Oh, there we go. Got it. Thank you. Boom! I got my foot dirty, but let's go, baby. No, I don't. This one's tiny. You're not funny. Good. Boy. Come on. Wait, I got that hook stuck. Let me figure this side out first. Yeah, there we go. There you go, guys. I almost hit myself in the face. First cast on the new crankbait. That was amazing. For what?
I'm in a tree. No, you have to be tied.
I'm not.
I'm kidding. I'm not.
You should know how to tie it now.
Nope, I forgot it.
Makes sense. Oh my god, I had another one. Are you talking, Avery? Like, get your Lord Farquaad laugh out of here.
Shut up.
Alright guys, we were done with the video. I caught, what, 7 fish?
I caught
8
one.
fish?
Yeah,
she's-
6, 7.
6. Okay.
I caught one.
We're gonna do, what's the challenge? Most species caught in like 3 hours. Or
Like
2 or 3 hours.
at the most.
So there's bluegill, crappie, bass, and catfish. So
And
there's
catfish, maybe.
kill the freaking skies.
Yeah, it's just like, I'm like. Alright, anyways, guys, so we're gonna go home, eat, and then we'll come back and film again. So see you guys later.
Driving down these dusty roads underneath the Texas sky so bold. Pickup truck and my old guitar strumming tunes neath the evening star. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar